Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use your Gmail without activating the two-step verification process, and also how you can activate two-step verification into your Gmail. You can use your Gmail without using the two-step verification option. To do that, you just simply have to open your Gmail account normally, and after that, you should skip the process of activating two-step verification. Now, if you want to activate two-step verification, where can you find the option? Let me guide you through that. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. After opening Gmail, simply click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you'll get the Manage Your Google Account option. Simply tap into that and go to the Security tab here. Into the Security tab, scroll down and you'll see this two-step verification button under the How You Sign Into Google option. Simply, you have to click on that in order to activate two-step verification. Now, just click on the Get Started button. Firstly, you have to enter your password to confirm that it's really you and simply click Next. Now, you have to set your second device to enable the two-step verification. Here, I'm selecting my phone to activate two-step verification and click Continue. Then, you have to enter your phone number into here and then choose the option to send a text or phone call. Click Send button. Then, you will get a verification code and enter the verification code. Then, after doing that, your two-step verification into Gmail will successfully be activated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.